Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure. Today, I'm walking you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing your Stellar tokens from Bitmart to a Trezor hardware wallet. This method is straightforward, but always remember, double-checking details can save you from potential headaches. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Trezor wallet is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Trezor Suite app on your computer and connect your device. Once connected, navigate to the Stellar dashboard to find your unique wallet address. Copy this down carefully because it's your key to receiving the funds. Now, head over to your Bitmart account. Log in securely using two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're in, go to the Wallets or Assets section and select Stellar from your list of holdings. Look for the Withdraw button and click it to start the process. Next, you'll need to enter your Trezor wallet address in the designated field. Double-check that it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, input the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or network fees. Bitmart might ask for additional verification, like an email code or SMS confirmation, so have that ready. After submitting, review the details one last time and confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a transaction ID, which you can use to track the progress on a blockchain explorer. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. A quick word of advice. Always withdraw to a test amount first if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. Also, be aware of gas fees on the Stellar network. They're usually low, but they add up. By moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Trezor, you're taking a big step toward better security in 2025's crypto landscape. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your Stellar from Bitmart to your Trezor wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.